This is DJI Spark, and today I will show how you can enable or disable the backward flying on this drone. So first you will need to launch the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Next, launch settings by tapping at the three horizontal dots you'll find at the top right corner of the display. Now inside settings, select the second icon or the second category, that is visual navigation settings. Next step, make sure that enable obstacle avoidance option is switched on. Once it is enabled, scroll down and look for the enable backward flying in ActiveTrack. Now you can switch this feature on or put it back off, turn it back off. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.